me. Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me?
Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. It's your girl Tierranikea, and we are back with another video. If you are new here, if you're not, thank you for coming back. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. So it is another day of October. Today's Thursday. It's 8:58, and I am on my way to drop the babies off at school.
Hi.
Say hi. Except for Legend. Y'all know Legend ain't in school yet until we move. So yeah.
Wait, Mommy.
Yes.
When do we move again?
Next week. Either next week or the following week. Hopefully it's next week. So y'all, the reason why I don't know like exactly the date is because the previous tenant had moved out September 18th. She moved out a little. She needed an extension to move out a little later. So that pushed me up a little bit. I mean back a little bit to move because you know they gotta fix everything. So that's why I'm not exactly sure. I know it'll probably be next week or the following week. It all depends. But yeah. So today I have to take Diana to get her hair done, and then once I drop her off, I gotta take Legend to get his physical and his blood drawn for lead. And
Wait, so he's gonna get a Lego shot?
no. So yeah, busy day today, y'all. Then I gotta take Diana get her nails done because, like I said, tomorrow is all the festivities for her homecoming. She got the pep rally, she got the parade, and then the game is tomorrow night. So I'll be taking y'all with us. So I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited that my baby is literally like being involved in school activities and stuff, because like when I was in high school, like I was not involved, and I feel like that's why like I got into different things. You know what I'm saying, I had kids, and you know what I'm saying, started just doing the wrong things because I wasn't active, I wasn't busy. So I'm happy that she's getting herself involved. They want her to play basketball because they see that like in gym that she's really good. She ain't never played like no basketball. She ain't never really played sports, y'all. She cheerlead 1 year, but like she hasn't done anything else. But I told her I feel like she would be good doing volleyball. I don't know, I just really can see her doing volleyball for some reason.
That's just doing.
You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I went to the gym this morning. I got up, so I was supposed to get up at 5 o'clock this morning, but y'all, my alarm didn't go off. Either it didn't go off or I didn't hear it. But I woke up at like 6:15. Oh shoot. I woke up at like 6:15, and then I just said, let me just get up and go to the gym. Have a great day. Love y'all.
Sorry, I got a costume.
Yo, look at these shenanigans. This boy want me to put this costume on. Listen, my baby, he got too much. My baby got too much time on his hands.
And I just
Here. You ready to get in the tub with you? I'm gonna take a shower and then you get in. Come on.
No, that's not cookies.
Oh, this spike set. Okay, no. Ashley, I think we learned a lesson. Let's go this way. All right, come on.
Wait, maybe I can do this.
Was this yours or Kai's? I can't remember. Did you have this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you did last year, didn't you?
Yeah.
What you want to be for Halloween this year?
I want Rick and the kid gonna get the apples and you pick them out to melt and put them out.
Apples? What you talking about?
You put them in the water and then you get them in try to do this and get it.
That's what you want to be for Halloween? What you want to be for Halloween?
This.
But we ain't being Spider-Man again. We gonna find something else, y'all. When I was younger, I literally was a witch for about 5 years. Like every year I wanted to be a witch. Like seriously, like I didn't want nothing else. My mom wanted to give me something else, but I did not want to be nothing but a witch. But we ain't doing that. We gonna switch it up with them because. All right, I'm about to get in the shower.
No, I'm gonna get.
I gotta pick Dawn up. It's 9:40. I gotta pick her up at 11 so she can wash her hair because she had to do her hair for school.
Can I go
So,
with my Spider-Man?
what?
Can I go with my Spider-Man?
No, you gonna get dressed. What's up, y'all? So it is currently 12:53. I had picked Dawn up from school. We are on our way to get her hair done. So I gotta drop her off, and then I gotta go maybe like 15 minutes to Legends pediatrician so he can get a physical. Yeah. Y'all, I have great news. I have great news. So, my new landlord. Alright, y'all. So, before I was rudely interrupted, y'all, my camera be hating on me. Every time I'm getting ready to record something and say something, my memory is always full. This is my old memory card anyway, so. But anyway, so yes, my landlord called me from my new place and said that everything's a go, that I can move in. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like I am very excited. Like I feel like now things are getting to be like moving. You know what I'm saying? Like it's been a long process. It has. Like I said, I put my notice in July. So I've been literally planning this since July. And it's finally here. So I'm going tomorrow to sign my lease and everything, get that done. So y'all gonna be coming with me to see everything. I'm not gonna show y'all my place until I do the house tour. So yeah, but I'm excited, y'all. Like it's crazy because it's like now I'm nervous and everything because y'all, this is the first time like I've lived like somewhere else besides like well not really because I moved to maybe like 45 minutes when me and my ex were together.
Never makes sense. It will never make sense. You will never understand why I had to take you through, why I had to take you this way versus that way. You will never understand why these people did what they did, why they said what they said, why they handled these situations. You will go crazy. You will keep going crazy trying to make sense, trying to figure this stuff out, going back and forth, over analyzing the situation over and over again. God said no. God said no. And then, like, think about this, y'all. Think about this. You know, there's been so many things that has happened, right? We can all attest to this. That there has been so many things that happened in your life, right? And it's like when it was happening, you just didn't understand, like, like, God, what is this? What is this? Or, you know, just, it was happening, and then, you know, you didn't understand it at the time, but then that hindsight, right? That hindsight, when you look back over it, you like, oh, I see. Oh, and this is what God is saying right now. This is what God is saying. This is what I need you to remember. Those situations in your life when you had that moment, and God said, I'm going to cause these situations in your life, even that situation right now that you're battling. Somebody is struggling with something right now. You don't understand why God is calling you to do this. You don't understand why God is telling you to be quiet, to shut your mouth. You don't understand why God is pulling you and pushing you and twisting you to do certain things, you tell yourself like, God, I'm not this. God, I'm not equipped for that. God, I can't handle that. God said, I need you to stop telling me what you think you can do, stop saying what you can do or what I can't do or God said, I have equipped you. I'm telling you exactly what I need you to do, and it doesn't make sense. It don't make sense to you. That's what God is saying. It doesn't make sense to you. I know what it looks like over here. I know what I'm doing. I know you don't know what I'm doing. You don't realize it. You don't see it. But I know exactly what I'm doing. My God, I know exactly what I'm doing. So God said, I need you to stop, like, get away from it. Get away from your thoughts. Get away from your ways. And God said, whatever I'm calling you to do, whatever I'm telling you to do, God said, I need you to trust it. Ooh, I need you to have faith in it. Ooh, I need you to run with it. I need you to run with it, because there's going to be a time, there's going to be a season, my God, where it's going to make sense, where you gonna understand and you gonna have that aha moment. You gonna have like that click in your mind. It's gonna be that ooh.
Hey y'all, so we are in Cambridge, Maryland. I'm about to get Data Boots hair done, and y'all, I see this beautiful artwork. It looks so nice. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's the picture.
Y'all know, Harriet Tubman was from Dorchester County. Okay.
That's the name.
Gloria Richardson. I've heard of her too. I love it. It's beautiful. All right.
I cut some carrots, okay? All right. So I'm gonna have you put both your legs down. Yep, right here. We're gonna put them down. Perfect. All right. Whoops. Can you put your finger in here? Good job.
So y'all, what's up? I don't even remember the last time I picked y'all up.
Your bunker
But
camera.
we are.
Hey guys. I gotta play on the phone.
Yeah, Diana let him use
Play on it.
her phone. So we are at the nail salon. Diana's getting her nails and feet done for homecoming. I gotta show you my baby's hair. Her hair looks amazing. Lala did a good job. But yeah, it's raining. Well, it was raining. It's currently 5:22. Y'all, I'm tired. I am. I feel like I've just been on the go for the last couple of days. Look at him. Y'all, I still gotta get this head done today. It has to get done. So yeah, I just was giving y'all an update. Jamira's at the house with the kids, so yeah. And look at her. Yeah, she looks so cute. Hold on, I'm zooming in. So yes, y'all. I think I'm gonna give me a drink tonight, just because I need to celebrate moving. I think I'm gonna give me a glass of wine. It's been a minute since I had a glass of wine. But y'all, I done spent so much money today. Mind you, I done got me a new pair of shoes online yesterday. I didn't tell y'all that. So I got me a pair of shoes. I will be showing y'all when it comes. And I got me a few outfits from Fashion Nova. So you got a haul coming up. But yeah, I just wanted to check in, and I will pick you back up. What's up, y'all? So we are finally back home. It's been a long, I literally been going all day. I went to the gym, then we left at like 1, and it's now what, 8? Yeah, So I'm happy to be home. Her nails look amazing, and her hair. Matter of fact, let me show y'all. Baby, and her hair so cute. Oh my god, it is good hair. Oh yeah.
Pink lemon.
It is. Yes, pink lemon. So if y'all want some nice affordable hair from the beauty supply store, get y'all some pink lemon. And look at her nails. Aren't they so pretty? I love them. Yes, so she's all ready. Well, I'm gonna tonight I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna recurl her hair and put it in the flexi rod. Kai.
Hi guys.
Yes, so. All right, look at him. We about to do his homework. I can't. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here and say, if you made it this far, make sure you
Subscribe.
yes, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that
Bell.
and I will see you next
Time.
bye.
Can't focus on